Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we'll install MySQL in Windows 10 system. First of all, we'll go to the website mysql.com. We'll click on Downloads, Windows. We'll need MySQL installer, so we'll click on it. As you will see that MySQL installer 8.0.17, which is the latest version, is being shown. We can also take the older versions, but right now we'll take the latest version. So we'll take 8.0.17. There are two options. One is web and one is normal. So we'll take the normal one, which is the second download. Now click on no thanks. Once it is downloaded, we'll run the installer to install MySQL in Windows 10 system. Let's run it. So there are multiple options like developers, server only, client only, full, customs. We'll go to in custom and see what are all things present in MySQL right now. So MySQL servers, application, MySQL connectors, documentation, and you can see MySQL Server 64-bit is being shown. So all these things are there. So we'll go back and select full. Next. We need Visual Studio 2010 for this. So we'll execute. We'll accept it and install. Finish. As you can see, the installation is done. We'll go to next. So it's not been satisfied. So we have to install all these things. So we'll execute and wait for all to be installed and completed. So everything is completed now. We'll go to next. Next. So here port is showing 3306. So this is your MySQL port number. Next. Again. Now you will need your root password. Give your root password and click on next again. Standard will keep the standard system account right now. So we'll execute the configuration steps now. It takes few time. If you like this video, please like and share. Please do comment if you don't like at all. You can subscribe for new videos also. It will take few more minutes. So it's now done. We'll finish it up. Click on finish. So we'll test our connection. So connection is successful. We'll go next, execute, and we are done. We'll click on finish next, and now we'll click on finish. Two dialog boxes will come. One is for shell command, and other one will be your browser specific work page. So here we can see that local instance MySQL is been shown. You click on it, voila, and you are logged into your MySQL. Click on schemas, and here you can see the tables. So that's all from my end. You can see MySQL here now. So this is the installation process in Windows 10.